Hello everyone, this is Professor Chisholm and welcome to GD 116, Problem Solving and Idea Generation. This is essentially Design Basics 2, okay? So this is what we're doing. Now, first thing, a couple of housekeeping things. So, the books. So, in reality, we have two. One of these we do not have. The Graphic Design Process book I think is out of print, and I'm trying to find out what we're going to do. But we have the design method, which looks like this, and I'll bring it over. So we have this book, the design method, and you see that for assignment 1.3. You need this book. And then it says also graphic design thinking, which is this book, and it's not a very big book. So you're going to look at pages 4 through 13 in this book, and in the design method book, it's like pages 1 through 14. It's debunking the creative myth, but we'll come back to that in a minute. So those are the two books we're definitely working out of. I've got to find out what's going on with the graphic design process because they just told me that the book is out of print or unavailable is what they told me. All right, now, make sure that you guys go and review what's needed for this term, okay, that all 12 weeks, okay, so that you aren't blindsided by anything. It's always important that you sort of review. If nothing else, review at least the week, and that's what I'm going to do is review what's needed for this week, okay? Also, make sure that you read the announcements page, read the welcome to the course announcement, and both of them that are here. One is from me, the other one is our standard welcome to the course and gives you some basic expectations that we have for these courses here at Bellevue. Now, the other thing you need to do is look at course information. Our course is going to go from Monday, starting August 26th, and we go Monday to Sunday each week, okay? So, and assignments are due on Friday. If they're due Saturday, if you post them Saturday or Sunday, they're late, okay? Technically, you're supposed to get a 0, all right? Now, communication is key here, guys. If you're having problems, you need to let me know. You can email me, you can text me. Email pretty much works the best, I would say, but you can email me. I check them throughout the day, so you'll always get a hold of me, all right? So, class goes from Monday through Sunday. Assignments are due on Friday, and then you have additional work to do. So on Saturday and Sunday, you have to reply to 2 of your peers. You have to go and look at 2 of your peers, what they submitted, and actually reply and give comments, feedback onto what they're doing. Okay, so I'm going to show that, but make sure that you review everything here. It's really important that you get an idea. Now, each week I'm going to do a video that's going to go over what's needed for the week. So that's what we're going to do right now. So let me go ahead and click into week 1. We're going to click into week 1. It says, so now each week page tells you what the assignments are. And then what you do is you click back here on discussion board, and this is where you're going to go and find where you can do. So we have hand in the air. This is where you can put hands. So this is another place for you to be able to put questions in here. And then, so then there's assignment 1.1 through 1.3. So let's go back to week 1. All right, so the very first assignment is, tell us about yourself. Where do you call home? What keeps you busy when not working on course? What experience do you have with art and design? And to put a face to your work, post a current photo of yourself into your Blackboard profile, okay? So we want to see people. We want to see pictures in your profile, all right? So that's pretty easy. 1.1, just make sure, give me an introduction. So, and you can see my, if you go under My Professor, that gives you my introduction, okay? So that you can see my background. Now, assignment 1.2. So you're going to do some sketches. Think of your favorite holiday or a day of the year and sketch out ideas of how you could depict it with a single image. Make your sketches a size you are comfortable working in. Scan or photograph your sketchbook pages and post as a single PDF in this forum. Okay? So what is your favorite holiday and how would you depict it with a single image that would give the message across? Okay? So favorite holiday. And the idea, notice it says the word sketches, okay? So always think of variations on a theme. Think of this as thumbnail sketches, guys. Think of doing quick little sketches. Don't settle for one. I won't accept it. You've got to have several, you have to have at least 3 sketches, guys, but I'd like to see more. I want to see where your thought process is, okay? So this is to push you to become better designers. You've got to think outside that box. You've got to be fast on your feet, and you should never take the first idea as your best idea. Work it. You've got to work it. So I want to see several ideas in terms of how you would depict for a single image for whatever holiday that you have. And actually, I got to go find a sketch that I did years ago and see if I can put it down there and see if you guys can figure out what it's for. So anyways, all right, so that's assignment 1.2. So scan your pictures, put it in there now. That's for due on Friday, but remember, you're going to need to go in Saturday and Sunday, and you're going to need to look at 2 of your peers' work and post and give feedback to them. Now, let's look at the assignment 1.3. Now, the book that we're working with, the design method book, okay, this is going to be every week we're going to be doing a different chapter in the book. This week we're doing chapter 1, and that's debunking the creative myth. It's like 14 pages, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to read through it, and as you're reading, think of it as a journal entry. I don't want you to, just regurgitate word for word what you read, okay? I want you to really think about it, let me know, was there something new in there that you didn't know? Was there something that made you think about something else? Did some images come up? Did questions come up after you read that? That's what you're going to write about, okay? So it says, throughout this term, we'll be reading the design method. Each week you'll read a chapter starting with week 1. So this week we're doing the first chapter, debunking the creative myth. Now you're going to make essentially a journal entry, and you can voice your opinions, thoughts, and it doesn't matter. You could be, I don't agree with this. I think this is completely wrong. And then tell me why. Don't say, I completely disagree with this. I need to know why you disagree with it. And then show me, give me some ideas why. I want to see your thought process. The whole point is we're just trying to expand your whole ideas, okay? I'm trying to get you to look at things at different angles and changing your perspective, okay? So that's what design is about. You need to be paying attention to your surroundings. You need to be just really broadening that and really push and look for really things that really grab your attention and figure out why. That's a really great design. What is it about that I really like? So that's what this whole thing is. We want to start expanding that horizon for you and really push yourself as designers here. All right, so after you're going to also then reply to 2 of your peers, okay? So you have to reply to 2 for assignment, well, of course, all of them. So you need to reply to 2 introductions, 2 of the sketches, and you also need to reply to people's journals entries, okay, guys? Now, if you have any concerns, any problems, I am just an email away. Please feel free to email me. You can also text me. It's under my profile. I do tend to get the text later. I don't know, there seems to be a lag time. So emails, you can email me. I am happy to, if you need to talk to me, you can say, hey, is it okay? Can you call me? Let me know. I'll be happy to help you in whatever way that you need. So right now, you just need to have a sketchbook, and you need to have pencil and paper, and you need to sketch. This is by hand, guys. The whole point of this is to do this by hand, all right? All right, so that pretty much sums up week 1. If you need me, please let me know. I'm very excited to be working with this class, facilitating this course this month, and being your instructor. Now, make sure that as soon as I know what's going on with the graphic design process book, I'll let you guys know, but you're going to be working out of this book, but pages 4 through 13, and then the design method, you're doing pages 1 through 14, okay? All right, guys, have a great week. Do great things, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and I look forward to working with all of you. All right, guys, I will talk to you later.